Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Chemistry Tricks. Today we will discuss about the organic chemistry. In that we have to take the Williamson synthesis chemical reaction now. Okay, it's very important chemical reaction. So what is the important key of this reaction? By using that Williamson synthesis we have to prepare which one is that? Ether from alkyl halide. So what is the starting component? मतलब हमें starting में क्या लेना है reaction में? That is a alkyl halide. Alkyl halide का मतलब क्या होता है? RX. What is mean by here? Alkyl halide. So when this alkyl halide reacts with what? NaOX. NaOX means what? Sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide. Okay. Sodium alkoxide means what? Sodium contains alkoxide here, R dash. Alkyl contains oxygen. So it's called as what? Sodium alkoxide. Name किस pattern में prepare होते हैं? ये भी important part होता है ना, ठीक है? Now by using this, what happen here first of all? See reaction में क्या होगा? Oxygen which carry negative charge. So attack of this oxygen towards on here R group now. While attack of this X towards on the sodium, because X carry negative charge, sodium carry positive charge. Positive negative attraction होता है. Negatively charged oxygen which are goes towards on the what? Carbocation, that is carbon contains that R group now particular now. ठीक है. So what we make here? R contains OR now. Formation of component R which contains what here? OR dash. So this is the formation of ether. Now this is the unsymmetrical ether. Okay. Because both sides of that R which are different now. Remaining component क्या होगा? Byproduct Na which contains what here? X. So what is the name of this component? That is a sodium. Na का मतलब क्या होगा? Sodium which contains halide. So halide का मतलब क्या हम यहाँ पे यूज कर सकते हैं? That is XBr which one is that? That is a BrIF. Okay, या फिर Cl, इसमें से कोई भी यूज कर सकते हैं ना, ठीक है? So this is the general reaction, that is a basic reaction. So by using that reaction we have to make so many different types of examples now. Okay, important key points क्या देखो इस reactions के? By using Williamson synthesis we have to make ether. First condition which one is that we have to prepare what? Ether. So how many types of ethers are present? There are two types. That is which one? Symmetrical ether and unsymmetrical ether. So both of these two ethers they are prepared by using Williamson synthesis now. ठीक है? Next one important point. By using that Williamson synthesis we have to make primary, secondary as well as tertiary types of ether now. Okay. Let's see one example. तो और ज़्यादा समझ में आएगा. Consider we take here CH3Br here. So what is the name of this group? That is methyl contains Br का मतलब क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Methyl bromide होगा. When this methyl bromide which reacts with what? NaO, that is consider we have to take here CH2CH3. So CH2CH3 first of all Na है मतलब सोडियम होगा. CH2CH3 how many carbon atoms are present? 2 carbon. 2 carbon का मतलब होता है ethyl. Ethyl contains oxygen मतलब क्या होगा? Ethoxide. Ethoxide होगा ये, ठीक है? So attack of this oxygen towards on this methyl, attack of Br towards on the sodium now, ठीक है? So the formation of component which one is that? That is the CH3 which contains oxygen. Then what here? CH2CH3 now, ठीक है? Plus remaining component that is NaOBr. Formation of what here? NaOBr. NaBr sorry. NaBr. So NaBr का मतलब क्या होता है? सोडियम ब्रोमाइड. NaBr का मतलब क्या होता है? सोडियम ब्रोमाइड. भाई CH2CH3 मतलब कितने कार्बन है यहाँ पे? एक साइड में इथाइल है, दूसरी साइड में क्या प्रेजेंट है? मिथाइल. So what is the name of this group? Ethyl, methyl and oxygen. That's why there is the ether. Ethyl, methyl, ether now. Okay, all of these are the common name. Okay, so well next one आपके लिए दे रहे example. देखते हैं how to you should prepare or write the product of this reaction, as well as also you have to write the name of this reactant as well as product. ठीक है? This is my question for you. Okay, thank you.